In today's video, we're going to go over how you can make a lot of money with this new SEO affiliate program from Rankability, and it pays 40% reoccurring commission for 3 years. It's super easy to sign up to. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a free platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs out there. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go over Rankability. I'm going to give you a quick demo and show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you how you can sign up to the affiliate program and start making money today. Rankability's technology allows you to create SEO content that actually ranks, do keyword research, leverage the power of AI, and much more. I'll show you how it works really quick, so you can click try for free, and then you can put in your name, company name, email, and a password and click register. And this is what the dashboard looks like. I'll go ahead and show you their keyword research tool really quick. We'll type best running shoes and we'll go ahead and click search. And the search results are loading right now. And you can see that it's pulled 1,000 search results for the keyword best running shoes. You can see other related searches. You can compare volume. You can look at the trend graph, and you can look at the cost per click and the difficulty to rank for that keyword. You can also sort. For example, we'll sort by volume, and you can see Nike running shoes is actually even more popular. And you can also find less popular words and with less difficulty that are easier to rank for. They also have a bunch of useful filters right here. You can adjust the settings in these drop downs. And then we'll go ahead and check out their content optimizer tool. We'll go ahead and click that in the sidebar menu. And we'll go ahead and do that same query, best running shoes. And then we'll go ahead and click run optimizer. And it takes about 30 seconds. And now it's finished running. We'll go ahead and click it. And then we'll go ahead and click AI brief right here. And it will go ahead and create everything for us. You can see we have an overview, an example page URL, meta title, meta tag, meta description, and much more. We can also create a content outline with AI by clicking AI outline after clicking outline over here in the right. And you can see it's created us a nice outline we can start working with. And you can also see the competition and see how many words they're using in their articles, the rankability score, domain score, and much more. And you can click optimizer and you can start working on the content as well. And they have many different features. You can also monitor content, and they have a mastermind every single week with the founders Nathan Gotch and Simon Smith. And if you don't know who Nathan Gotch is, he's actually a very big YouTuber that has a bunch of amazing videos on SEO. I highly recommend you guys check out his channel if you're interested in SEO. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. I will leave a link down below that will take you to this page, and it will go over some details of the affiliate program, and you can go ahead and click apply now. And then you can just put in your first name, last name, email, put in a password, click I'm not a robot, and go ahead and sign up. And this is what your dashboard will look like. And you can go ahead and copy your link and start sharing it, and you'll earn 40% reoccurring commission for 3 years. The cookie length is 60 days, and you can get paid out via PayPal. And this is their pricing page right here. So I just want to give you guys an idea of how much you can make as an affiliate off just one sale. So for example, if somebody gets the SEO master package, which is $449 a month, you're going to make $179 a month. And 179 times 12 is 2,155 for a year. And you can get paid for 3 years. So you can make $6,465 off a single sale, which is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend this affiliate program. And if you want to find more affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.